Yo, welcome back again to Time with Josie. As you all know, I'm your girl Cynthia. All right, hope you all are doing fine. Hope you're staying safe. Okay, today we're making this delicious vanilla ice cream using just 3 ingredients. Yes, just 3 ingredients. Your kids, your family, everyone will love it. But before that, if this is your first time of coming across this channel and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you still waiting for? Hit on the subscribe button now, like, share, and drop your comment. Okay, and also don't forget to hit on the bell notification icon so that you will be the first to get alerts whenever I drop my video. Okay, if you want to know how to make this delicious ice cream, stay tuned. We'll be right back. So the 3 ingredients will be whipping cream, condensed milk, and vanilla flavor. These are the 3 ingredients we'll need. So I'm going to pour in 4.5 cups of whipping cream, then we'll whip it. So I just set in the whisk powder of my mixer and start on a low speed before increasing it. So you check for the consistency you want. For me, I want it a bit thicker, so I just continue whisking. Okay, this is what I want. Now I'm going to pour in 2 cups of sweetened condensed milk. Then 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavor. Wow, our ice cream is ready. This is the best ice cream you will ever make. Try this out and I bet you your kids, everyone that tries the ice cream will definitely love it. Okay, so you can do whatever you want with this ice cream. You can add sprinkles, you can add peanuts, you can make it chocolate ice cream by adding chocolate flavor instead of vanilla flavor and adding some cocoa powder. While you can also make it strawberry ice cream by adding strawberry flavor and blending some strawberries. Okay, so I just put them into 2 bowls. This is the first bowl, while the second bowl I made a twist by adding red color because I know that is going to attract my kids more. So if you've stayed to this time of the video, I want to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit on the bell notification icon for more interesting videos. So just pop this into the freezer and leave for 6 hours or 24 hours. Okay,
6 hours later.
All right, this is 6 hours already, and look at this ice cream. It's so delicious, so yummy. So I got in some ice cream cone, and scoop in some ice cream, and we are good to go. This is delicious. Do try this, guys. Until we see you again on our next video. Bye.